With the sunset of today in Saudi Arabia, this inaugurates the beginning of an era, of a season, which the Prophet ﷺ indicated by saying, there are no days better where Allah loves whatever good deeds you give more than these 10 days. ما من أيام العمل الصالح فيها أحب. No days that good deeds are more beloved to Allah than these 10 days. The companion said, even jihad, we know that jihad is the best. The Prophet said, even jihad. Except a man who goes out in the cause of Allah Azza wa Jal with his soul and wealth and does not come back with either one. So these days, the coming 9 days, including the day of Eid, of course, but it's exempted from fasting. These 10 days are the best days of the whole dunya, of the whole world. Even better than Ramadan, according to the majority of people. When Allah says, وَالْفَجْرِ وَلَيَالٍ عَشْرٍ, Abdullah bin Mas'ud and Abdullah bin Zubair, may Allah be pleased with them all, say that these layal al-ashr are the 10 days of Dhul Hijjah. Allah swears by them in the Quran. And the Prophet said himself, alayhi أَفْضَلُ أَيَّامِ الدُّنْيَا, the best days of this world are the 10 days of Dhul Hijjah. Therefore, it is a call for me and you to do far greater than what we used to do in the last 10 nights of Ramadan. In Ramadan, especially in the last 10 nights, everybody around you is fasting through the day, worshipping Allah through the night, offering Taraweeh, Tahajjud, reciting the Quran, anticipating Laylat al-Qadr, the night of decree. So worshipping Allah is easy because everybody else is doing it. These 10 days of the Hijjah are quite difficult because ignorance is widely spread. Negligence among the Muslims is very high. Therefore, it's rare to find someone fasting in these days. It's rare to find someone going out of his way to finish the Quran twice or maybe 3 times in these blessed days and nights. You won't find people going out of their way trying to connect their kinship, which was severed due to any simple or silly reason. You would not find people paying for orphanages or widows or poor people. There are thousands of people who need medication for their diabetes, heart problems, dialysis, and they can't afford it. There are thousands of people who can't pay off their rents and they are threatened to be vacated. There are people who don't have power because they could not pay the electricity bill. This is your season. And the Prophet told us ﷺ, that there are no days, righteous deeds are more beloved to Allah than these days. So if you want to do something Allah loves, this is your chance. But if you want to be negligent like everybody else, if you don't want to make up for your shortcomings during the last 10 nights of Ramadan, if you want to be like everybody else, the thousands and the millions and the billions of humans living on earth, if you want to be like them, then these words will not penetrate your heart. It would enter from one ear and exit from the other. Those whom Allah loves will help them, will encourage them, will give them the enthusiasm to pursue the things that He loves Azza wa Jal, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best. I pray to Allah that He grants us this gift of His and to make us among those blessed to offer as many good deeds as we can in these blessed 10 days.